Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the forestry industry, where every second genuinely counts. In this world, efficiency isn't just a buzzword. It's what balances productivity with sustainability. And at the center of it all, there's a silent giant, an unsung hero that cuts through the stillness of the woods, dragging tons of timber with incredible precision. It's a true symbol of strength and innovation, transforming the toughest field challenges into amazing results and securing the future of modern forestry production. We're talking about the SKIDDER. This powerhouse machine is one of the most vital pieces of equipment in forestry harvesting. Think of it like a supercharged tractor, but specifically designed for logging. It's equipped with heavy-duty wheels or tracks, and a powerful claw or winch that allows it to move entire logs from where they're cut all the way to the loading area. Its robustness is simply mind-blowing. It tackles uneven terrain, deep mud, steep slopes and massive logs, always ensuring agility and precision in every single operation. It's the perfect blend of brute force and cutting-edge technology, working to reduce waste and optimize every stage of transport. Now, there are different types of skidders, each engineered for a specific challenge. First up is the grapple skidder, probably the most popular. It uses a strong mechanical grapple to quickly and efficiently drag stacked logs. Then we have the choker skidder, which comes equipped with a winch, making it ideal for those really hard-to-reach areas where logs might be scattered. And let us not forget the clambunk skidder. This one is a fantastic fusion of strength and versatility, capable of transporting huge volumes of wood and even transforming into a forwarder, seriously boosting its productivity. Each type serves the same core purpose, delivering power, precision, and performance, all in harmony with the rhythm of the forest. Investing in a skidder isn't just about buying a machine, it's an investment in safety, productivity, and control. It dramatically reduces the risks for people during log transportation, ensures super efficient handling, and cuts down on losses from breakage or poor handling. Plus, it slashes operating time, boosting daily yield and keeping production right on track. It's all about more efficiency, less waste, and a workflow that truly respects both the environment and the dedicated workers. Today, many smart companies choose to rent skidders, and it's a brilliant strategy. Renting helps reduce upfront costs, eliminates maintenance expenses, and guarantees constant access to the latest, most modern equipment. This keeps operations agile, sustainable, and highly competitive from the moment trees are planted all the way through harvesting. Renting allows businesses to focus on what truly matters, producing more, with quality and responsibility. The skidder is so much more than just a machine. It's a powerful symbol of strength, precision, and undeniable progress. Every single log transported bears the mark of the incredible technology and hard work that keeps our forests moving. Thank you so much for joining us on this insightful journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We'd love to hear from you too. Drop a comment below and tell us what other forestry equipment you'd like us to feature next. See you next time.